Hi friends, in this video I am going to teach you indirect object, personal pronouns indirect object in Tamil. Are you ready for the game? Okay, let's start. எனக்கு, எனக்கு, me, உனக்கு, to you. எனக்கு, to me also you can say, to me or me. உனக்கு, to you. உங்களுக்கு, to you or you. உங்களுக்கு, to you. அவர்களுக்கு, to them. அவர்களுக்கு, to them. அவைகளுக்கு, to them. எங்களுக்கு, us or to us. எங்களுக்கு, to us. உங்களுக்கு, to you. உனக்கு, to you. உங்களுக்கு, formal. உனக்கு means informal. உங்களுக்கு, formal. உங்களுக்கு, to you. அவனுக்கு, to him. அவனுக்கு, to him. அவளுக்கு, to her. அதற்கு, to it. அதற்கு, to it. Okay, I am going to repeat. எங்களுக்கு, to us. எங்களுக்கு, to us. Okay, once again I am going to repeat. எனக்கு, to me. உனக்கு, to you, informal. உங்களுக்கு, to you. அவர்களுக்கு, to them. அவைகளுக்கு, to them. எங்களுக்கு, to us. உங்களுக்கு, to you. Plural உங்களுக்கு, that is plural to you. உங்களுக்கு, the same உங்களுக்கு for to you singular with respect and also to you உங்களுக்கு plural. So உங்களுக்கு, to you. உனக்கு informal. To you, that also to you. So to you, 3 to yous are there. To you means உனக்கு, to you means உங்களுக்கு, to you means உங்களுக்கு plural. Okay, are you satisfied? Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.